Lynn's Recipes. Today I'm going to make cashew chicken for dinner. This is really good served over white or brown rice. The amounts of the ingredients that you're going to need to make this recipe will be found in the information box below, or you can find it on the website. The ingredients are: you'll need some chopped garlic, some boneless-skinless chicken breast that you've cut into bite-sized pieces. You'll need an egg white. You'll need green onions that you've sliced, diced red pepper, sliced mushrooms, and some cashews. And for the sauce part, you will need some soy sauce, chicken broth, sugar, and cornstarch. I'm going to start by slightly beating these egg whites till they're a little bit frothy. And that looks good. And I'm going to pour them in this bowl. I'm going to put the chicken in. And I'm just going to stir the chicken around in the egg whites to coat. And I'm going to set this aside for a minute until we move on to the next step. Okay, I'm going to start by putting about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my wok here. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. And then I'm going to put my vegetables in. The green onion, the red pepper, the garlic, and the mushrooms. And we're just going to saute these until they're tender. Okay, these vegetables are pretty tender, so I'm going to remove them and put them in this bowl. Get them all out. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little bit more oil in. And I'm going to add my chicken. And I'm just going to cook this until it's all cooked through, but not necessarily browned. I'm going to mix the sauce together, and that would be the cup of chicken broth, the soy sauce, and this is light soy sauce, but you can use whatever you want, the sugar, and the cornstarch. And I'm just going to whisk this all together, and we're going to set this aside for a few minutes. Okay, the chicken's ready now, so I'm going to add back the vegetables in. Mix them with the chicken. And now I'm going to pour the sauce over. Give it a stir. We're going to let this come to a boil, and then we're going to put it on simmer, and we're going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. My cashew chicken is boiling, so now I'm going to turn it down and just let it continue to simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. My cashew chicken is done. I've taken it off the stove, and now I'm going to serve it. I've put my cashew chicken on a bed of brown rice, and so now comes the cashews, and I'm just going to sprinkle them over the top. This is cashew chicken. I hope you enjoy it.